So what's up guys, Zumaki305 here. Today we'll be filming the random skin challenge. So basically how this works is that whatever rarity skin you get, you use only that type of rarity weapons. So legendary is legendary, purple is epic, blue is uncommon, green is common, and gray is, I don't think you're gonna get gray. And any of these special series like the Marvel series, Slurp series, Icon series and all will come under mythic weapons. Yep, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I have blue, Marth as purple, Chaos as blue, Cow as legendary. Very nice, come. Let's go, Salty.
Where do we land?
Okay, I'll be
I
pickaxing.
think I'm gonna be damn salty after this game. I'm not gonna get a purple, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna get a
Bro,
purple.
I'm legendary Bablu, you keep quiet.
Come on, bro. Can't be that hard. I can easily get a blue, I guess. Let's see.
Yeah, same.
You know what? To make it fun, I'm going to go to the blue house with one chest.
Akash, you're our savior, bro.
Bro, even this guy is blue.
Someone land
Chaos
with
is
me,
also
bro.
blue.
Someone land with me. I'll just use my pickaxe.
I have to
Hold.
land it.
Bro, look at the number of people. And then I just got
I know I'm not gonna get blue weapon off the first set.
Bro, you're
You're
purple.
a blue skin.
No, purple I mean. Shit, this guy landing.
Please give me a blue gun. No, not a green tack.
Green gun here.
Dead.
Bablu, come here.
Oh, blue
I'll carry a
AR.
pistol.
Let's go.
Bablu, I got a pistol. Come here,
I'm
Bablu.
coming.
I got a purple pistol.
No. I'm 9 HP. Come on. This guy's right behind me.
Oh
No,
no,
that's so
man. Attempt one isn't going that well, eh?
Bro, I can't attempt the legendary skin I'm sitting
Hey, come and raise me, da. I'll at least
Actually, I'll carry you. Yeah, you at least get a weapon.
Hey, I armoring you. What? You can farm mats. You can farm mats. Build a wall, da.
Knocked one.
Go inside. Nice one.
No.
You get me. Rest.
Oh, dude.
Floating that Bablu.
Where's your thing, da? Chaos.
Actually, I'll go rest dance. I'll do the rest game. Bablu, collect this card for me. I'll get it.
Yeah,
Collector car.
Anyways, all I can do is reboot, rest. Oh, the more people. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm resing you, Siddhant.
there's a guy on me.
Okay, there's a guy on me. Okay, I'm going.
Oh, I'm dead. There's a whole team coming out of nowhere, bro. Like legit, there's a team coming out of nowhere.
I'm to use a pistol with a reboot way.
No,
Yeah.
you can't. That's not very blue. Careful. Mark dead.
What? Get out.
How do you know I'm here?
Did you have spawn protection? Run. Just run. Chaos, jump! Chaos.
Akash, do something.
If you're able to go to my body, there'll be ARs and shit.
Okay, I'll go and get your gun. I'll go drop it.
Okay, the cow just come. Let's go. Second try.
No, let me do it. Oh, bro.
Dude, bleep out all the weapons I mean the games that we do bad in. Bleep out all those games. You don't want that.
Come on, why are you killing me?
I'm telling you.
What are these guys doing? These guys' aim are so bad.
Where is my
Bro, what? They're starting to pickaxe because they can't aim, dude. How bad are these guys? Just get a guns.
Right here, one.
Dude, go to my thing first.
Bro, I can't help it.
It's right
Run.
help
Use a
it.
crash pad. Yeah. Come on, dude. Come on. Get mods.
I'm 30 seconds.
big of a bot are these
My
guys?
God.
Run away, run away, run away.
I turn my head out.
Just run.
The people that side only, the people that side only.
Go to
Careful.
weeping. No, go to weeping. Fuck off. Go to weeping. Holy word. Hey, bro.
I think someone's
Bro,
scaring me.
there's no way I'm deleting this clip, bro. There's no way I'm deleting this clip. Okay, guys. Anyway, second try. Let's see what our weapons. This thing kills me, guys.
Oh, I got sick.
Anyways, second attempt. Bro, come on, bro. Let's at least please get a dub, bro.
I can use weapons against
Bro,
bots.
Akash on alternate days stream on Twitch, da.
Every day I'm stream on Twitch. Today only I'm
You talk about
filming a
now.
video. Oh.
No Twitch content as you do this. Better than you know it.
Yeah. I can probably do
I'm
that.
too low for Grotto. I'm too low for Grotto.
What the shit,
got
Mark?
it.
You had
My game
you-
crashed.
Mark.
Really,
My
nigga?
game crashed. My game crashed.
Okay, restart and come fast. Restart and come fast. I'll wait.
Bro, what if we do this without him?
Then it's game over. We still win. I'm not doing it again now. I can't use
Someone
that
just
weapon.
dash me.
No, I'm dead.
How?
Bro, I glitched off the thing then.
We're trying to fall. We're trying to fall. There's a guy there. Oh my
I'm
god.
coming down. Arush,
Bro,
come.
Brutus will be here only somewhere there. Where the pickaxe, bro?
Ah,
No, we can't
Mark.
use this. Bro, what is your skin rarity?
Mine's
Bro,
purple.
where
bro.
are you?
Don't go there.
Bro, you're flying in the thing. Okay, where are you come? Come to this, no. Come quick, Dad.
Oh, I hear an epic chest. Please give me something. Oh, I got a scar. I can play the game. Oh no, I got a burst. I can play the game. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm following your lead. That's it.
Come.
Go take these. There is a henchman chest. Anyone disguised?
I'm going to discuss.
Okay, disguise and come to me.
I see a launch pad.
But it's not a overtime. Okay, the disguise done. The disguise booth is there only. Go disguise quick.
Bro, mane
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's finish this challenge once and for all.
Ran, I'm waiting for you at the henchman chest. Come to me after you change your get up.
I have another heavy sniper. I got a gold heavy sniper and a AK.
Bro, can someone come to me? Ran, can you open this? I need a gun.
There's guy here.
Bro, I'll open. Need a weapon.
Bro, he's low. The shoot. Someone shoot. He's here. Bro, what are you
Dude, I don't have a weapon. I'll go yank this car and come. Oh
Bro, my
God, there's a
henchman
car. Oh! Bro, I'm gonna die to those. Laser thing. Okay, thank you for the loot, Akash.
Okay, revived.
Yeah, okay, wait, I'll get your card. Oh, they're actually people!
Bro, I can't see anything from this.
I'm healing. Where am I?
Yeah, this is not the second try. He got the Brutus Minigun already. Yeah.
Just kill him.
Oh! Clutch!
What happened?
Arush clutch.
Bro, we have the minigun.
We have the mythic gun waiting for you, Mahit.
Akash, okay, we got a card. I'm gonna heal up first.
Yeah.
So I'll cover this side, but.
Dude, I swear to God, the game
No,
is the
don't.
worst.
Bro,
Let me
I
come
don't
and then
know
open
how
the
I
vault,
clutched
okay?
that.
Let me come
Just
and
give
then
me
open the
mini.
vault. Doesn't have.
Yeah, like.
Okay, go to the reboot one. It's behind you. Go to the reboot one.
Heavy AK, da.
I got a disguise. Oh, the booth was there only. Wait.
No. Sorry.
Bro, we have zone also, bro. Go fast, go fast, go
One
fast.
of the guns
Bonus
for
5
you.
minutes away. You can go there
Yeah, yeah.
easily. Akash, you want? Oh.
Where is the thing? Okay, it's here.
Rebooter. No, reboot's not here.
You
Yeah,
can go this way. You can go this way also. You can go. I don't think you can go this way. Back.
No,
I'll
you
tell you the
can't
way.
go this way.
Back.
Go back.
Go to that door.
I don't know how grotto works.
Yeah. Go through that door. Go through that door.
Grotto Pro. I'm the Grotto
Bro,
Pro.
Yeah. Go take a
straight,
right.
Right.
Walk.
Go.
Jump down. Or use that. No. Behind you.
what?
Oh my god.
Right. Yeah. Jump. Yeah. I'll go.
Take a right. Take
Right,
a right and go
straight.
straight. That's the reboot one.
Bro, where's the key card?
I have it.
This guy has it.
Give it. I'll open the.
Bro, what do you mean? You'll get all the loot. So let everyone come, then we'll open. Okay, so that.
You serious?
I'm not gonna listen.
I don't need to do it.
How are you doing it? What? Look at it standing. It's like, drop me a weapon and ammo, dude.
Yeah. I'll give you heavy AK.
Ammo.
Hey, you're getting sniped from somewhere.
Look at this conjuice, bro. He had 200 ammo. He gave me 36.
Okay, sorry, I'll give you more weight. Take.
Is that a guy?
What?
Wait,
I think there's a guy here.
It's a hench guy.
Oh, it's him.
The Hennessy. This guy's good right here.
Yeah, let's go, boys.
What for like that?
You got it
Let's
by
go,
that
let's go,
guy.
let's go, let's go.
God, I know. I didn't get hit.
He didn't get hit, he ran into him. Like a bot.
Is there any weapon I can use? Imagine
Open
leaving the
the control
Brutus
of the-
minigun just like that. Yeah.
Wait, where is the
Open the
thing?
vault.
I don't know where the
Right
vault
here,
is.
Bot. There's a bot. It's amazing.
Don't keep quiet, I don't know this place at all.
It did either every location. I know how every location in that map works.
It's because you grind the game like that has.
Who's car?
Yeah, Akash, give him the scar. You have AVA cannot side grade it.
Yeah.
Bro, this is like the worst this thing I've ever seen. Look at this.
Hey,
Oh,
this-
heavy
Take
sniper.
heavy sniper.
Take this. Hey, give me one heavy sniper. I have one already, no?
That's
No,
one on
I have
top.
only
That's
one.
on top.
I have only
Oh.
one.
One on top.
Okay.
Loot more of the.
I need shields, bro. Do you have minis or something?
Take, I have a distinct part. Siddhant has minis.
Who has the
Bro, I'm
pot?
side grinding this.
Who has the part?
Wait, I'm going.
Which idiot has the pot?
Henchman chest. I know where there's another henchman chest. Dude, hey, Arush, go back. Go back.
Where?
Go there.
Here.
Go straight. There's one in there.
I opened it, I think.
To your left.
Yeah, we
Take
opened.
the big part. Take the big. Give to Akash.
Akash already has full shields.
No, da. This guy stole it from me. Can't do so.
Okay, I think.
There's one more chest. There's one more henchman chest, bro. Over
Yeah,
here.
by the lake. It's
Chuck it to me
on
behind you,
top,
behind you.
on top.
Cow, behind you.
side grade weapon.
It'll be somewhere
Another
here.
henchman chest.
It'll be there.
Bro, where to go zone? Henchman is on top, bro. On top.
Henchman chest. Hey, go fast, cow.
Bro, zone.
Break that.
Bro, zone.
Where is the head?
Relax, da. It's a one take.
Now you can't do hench anymore. Go. Just go. You can't do hench.
Okay, come, let's go. Siddhant, where are you?
Done
Bye.
what?
Bye, I'm not
done.
done. Bye.
Go, have my launch pad. I go.
Bro, go.
But actually, we'll go.
Launch pad for that shit.
Bro, actually,
Hey, don't die. Drop down for that.
Bro, he died.
Waste launch pad.
Bro, can you come quick, Siddhant? It's a one
Nah,
tick.
I'm
Can look
coming.
at this one.
Where is?
No one has heals also. Go for you.
No one has white heals. Boosted up, bot Akash.
Bro, is it laggy for me or did they slow down the helis or something?
Bro, if you die to zone, now my clutch was off.
I swear to God, if we die this zone, it's not even coming in the video.
Akash is not gonna put anything that downgrades.
Bro,
Hey,
go zone and
controller
then. Bro, just go zone that. Don't worry, just run zone. Run zone.
Oh, they hit me for a headshot. What the shit? How many people? The people everywhere.
Bro, go up, just go.
Get off the
No,
stairs.
no,
Get
no,
off the
that's very
chopper.
good.
Everyone get out.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to that house. Oh my god, where are you shooting?
This is supply drop, dude.
Someone's on this thing. Someone's on a zipline.
Yeah, even I heard that. There's a bot coming
Go to
from the
supply
right.
drop. Go for supply drop, Arash.
Bro, we need heals now. Wait, look at my
Hey,
head.
what is supply drop then? Give them?
No, it's fine. First I'll loot this place.
Okay, I'll go launch pad up.
I got minis. We can use shield. You can use heals, right?
Why are you placing the launch pad just like that? Why do you?
Go use the
I'll
launch
get
pad.
another launch pad.
I got another.
So you could have used saved two launch
the
pads
launch
instead of
right here.
wasting.
There's another launcher right here, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm lag.
A bottle. It's on top of
Bro, where is the chest?
It's on top of you.
Bro, can you use this Akash?
Oh, white
Yeah, I
heals.
can
I'm healing up.
Oh, the guy on me. Oh, stream sniper.
Stream sniper today. I'm not even streaming. It's a bot. Stream sniper.
Bro, he came
Bro,
running
anyone
for
needs
me.
white heals, huh?
Yeah,
Actually,
carry
I'll
them,
give it to you guys.
Carry the three.
Yeah, I need chuck it.
So I'm about to use all of them. But, one more
One more
chopper
dog.
coming.
One more
I'll
band.
give it to Siddharth. I'll give it to Siddharth.
That's what throw it to him.
Oh, the guy?
Siddharth, I threw you bandies. Take it.
Careful, guys.
fighting
Careful.
I hit one with the sniper.
What are the rarities, bro?
The Chaos is legendary. We both are epic.
Bro, at least spectate Siddharth. You have legendary heavy steps.
Yeah,
Oh, what the fuck?
Here comes Siddharth with Russia.
Oh, there's a chopper behind us.
We have a launch pad.
towards your
I'll
left. God, lucky.
Bro, no.
Siddharth, you died. How?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
what I
I'm
got.
done.
I was scoping into the thing and I got killed. Bro, we'll launch pad out of here after that.
No.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
Bro, no, he has a big pump. No. Bro, I tagged the shield. Sir, I think he has a purple pump. Take it. Bro, take the pump first.
Wait. I have a launch pad. Place it immediately, okay?
Already.
Oh no.
No, take the pump. Yes, that's it.
Take the medi.
No.
Medkit.
No, take the medkit and take the scar. Take the doctor, yeah, that, and get out of here. Take our cards.
Oh,
Yeah,
What a god, Akash.
I can't revive them anywhere. Look, I can't revive them anywhere.
Slurpee doesn't have a, Slurpee doesn't have a reboot, Wagner.
It has the. It's not
It's
showing.
not
It doesn't
there.
show.
It's not there. It's
It's
not
not
there. It's not. It's inside zone.
So, okay, yeah, nothing's in zone. Okay, never mind, leave.
Heal up.
Akash is gonna clutch this stuff.
Bro, if you get a pump, you're lucky as hell.
Bro, look at the loadout he got.
I got a full loadout.
Bro, I had one AK, one burst, and one sniper.
The same thing, add scar, burst, sniper.
Okay, right now I have to push everyone I see.
And it's enemy guys.
Chevron is the issue.
I thought I could no scope him.
No, why don't you do that? Akash fighting zone.
Bro, he's white now. Bro, you're what?
I can't see him. Approximately, I'm shooting.
Nice.
Finish. Take that body with us.
Who needs
No.
bandage for Sukana?
Oh, yeah, man.
Bro, if it is a total zone for our rev,
How
never
many kills do
mind.
you guys have?
I have two.
No, I can hear someone else shooting.
Oh, I also had two.
I have two, 6 actually.
Akash, 6.
6.
So you need to get 10
four
kills
more.
at least.
4 more.
4 more and 6.
You have to wipe a squad.
I'll wait for them to fight it or something.
Dumb. You have to push anyone you see, man.
As you told Akash.
Your
I-
kills
I-
are getting yanked like anything.
Where's that guy's team, bro? They have to come from Storm this way, and
Oh, I'll
They probably rotated some.
take it late. Like anyways.
Hey, Akash, there's a slurp truck here somewhere, I think, on the road.
No, it's broken. It's broken.
Bro, bot
You getting it?
instead of Shivan asking for 5 blade or some good thing, he asked for Cyclops.
Go
Bro, I
and
heard,
slurp
I heard a
swamp
shot,
and,
bro. I heard a shot.
Go
I
stand
heard
in Go stand in
Bro,
swamp.
bro,
Go stand
you
in
just
swamp.
go. You have a
Go
launch.
stand in swamp, duh.
Yeah, I have a launch. Wait, I don't need heals now. I need a kill. I heard a guy
Rajat,
somewhere here.
Fearless Raj. What is he doing?
He's online.
Ash?
He doesn't come
Yeah,
online during this time.
He's spamming me.
Play that.
I thought we're doing the
Akash boss.
Nice.
bro Fearless Raj guy spamming me.
Yeah, nice.
We'll invite him and tell him we're playing some challenge or something. Or what?
Give him party invite. I don't remember the love, you know.
Dude, the last Babu.
Bro, eat. Okay, no, it's not a much.
Akash, how many more kills you need? 3 more.
Yep.
Out of the 4. I think it's a squad.
I'll take it down.
Yes.
I have the feeling I can take it down. I'll go try hard now.
Wait, I never knew Lily Pads did that.
What?
Did you know
You have to
that?
explore the map.
I knew
You have to
that.
explore the map.
I knew it when I went to the rig for the first time. It was like after half the season ended.
Watch this. Give me. Oh, it broke.
Give me a bandy bazooka.
No time for bandage.
Practice, this is the ideal loadout. Leave this place.
Yeah,
Akash
this is a
7 kills in
loadout.
it, 3 more.
Yeah, one with the teammate who crashed.
No, wait.
Game crashed and
Oh, Bablu, you're getting it wrong. You won with the teammate who clutched up.
Technically, yeah. If he didn't rev me, I couldn't have.
Bro, pickaxe is so weird. Some weird blue color thing is coming out.
Oh,
yeah.
oh, they're
What are they
sweaty.
doing?
Bro, what?
What?
What? How do you miss that, you bot? Yeah, you weird.
Okay, you're dead. I think they're 2 different things.
Oh! I got mid-air blue! I got mid-air blue!
Oh, this guy